सब्सक्राइब करो एंड्रो यासिर को और प्रेस करो बेल आइकन को to get notified every time we posted a new video.
Hey, what is up guys, Yasir here. Samsung has just confirmed the launch date of the Samsung Galaxy A series 2020. The video confirmed that the series will be unveiled as soon as December 12. This is much earlier than the expected next year release, but clearly Samsung Galaxy want to get ready before the new years arrive. There is no clarity on which phone will be unveiled on December 12, but if rumors are to be believed, then the Galaxy A51 is expected to launch first. There has been plenty of rumors about the upcoming Galaxy A series phone. Most of the upcoming Galaxy A series phone are expected to launch next year, but Samsung wants to get a head start early. Also, it seems Samsung is expected to launch at least 8 phones in the Galaxy A 2020 series. Galaxy A11, A21, A31, A51, A91, A71 and A81, and the first phone expected to launch this month is the Galaxy A51. The phone has been supported on the several certification sites and case renders. It is expected to support a quad rear camera setup, a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, 4000 mAh battery, 32 megapixel selfie camera and Exynos 9611 SoC. It is ready for the launch of Galaxy A51 in Vietnam 12 December 2019. So I am very excited for the launch of Galaxy A51 or Galaxy A series 2020. Thank you. Peace.